QTEK DStacker, with its patented no-touch pallet dispensing system, delivers unmatched results. It eliminates pallet handling injuries, reduces pallet damage, and increases productivity. Load 16 pallets in 20 seconds, at the same time as dispensing 2 pallets every 14 seconds. An unheard of operating cost less than $10 per year, combined with a low maintenance cost, makes the QTEK DStacker the world's best pallet dispenser. QTEK DStackers are helping low-volume warehouses and the world's largest supply chains find more floor space by storing pallets higher, meet OSHA standards, and increase their efficiencies.